welcome to another video on this lovely sunny afternoon. I hope you're going to enjoy me taking you through all the different lambings that are going on. And if you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe at the end. It's 6 a.m. I've had my barefoot walk, I've enjoyed the sunrise, I've had a coffee. Now it's time to get up those fields. So we've got two new live lambs, one dead. Looks like the bag, the membrane was never broken around the lamb's nose. So I don't know why she didn't look like she'd licked it or anything. Hello, good morning you two. They're quite small, aren't they? Hello. So these are brother and sister, and just showing that one's got hardly any wool really at all, and this one has got a really thick,
curly coat,
fluffy, curly coat, completely different from the same mother.
yeah.
And this is the magical sight that greets us on Friday the 24th of April. And I'm not gonna lie, last night and this morning I felt tired, not slept very well. So I'm just gonna have to power through and have some little rest when possible. So this here is gorse. The gorse is currently in flower, looking really beautiful. It's a very spiky bush, so if you brush up against it, you'll know about it. But yet another really stunning little morning stroll. It's a little baby ewe lamb. Aren't you gorgeous? Yes. So today I'm making Derbyshire Oatcakes, which are oatmeal, rye flour, yeast, milk, water, salt, and they are really delicious, sweet or savoury. So it's a very hot Friday afternoon and we're just watching this one, who's not getting on with it very fast, is she?
No, but I think she's quite ready yet. I think she just needs to just be given a little bit of time. We'll have to investigate again in a little while, well, in half an hour or so.
So that's just popped out. So it's Friday night, 6 o'clock. No, it's not party time, it's getting on with lambing time. So one's just had one of expected 2, and there's another one on its way, and we've got the lesser spotted Farmer Johnson delivering water. So we're sort of taking it on shift now. Dad's having a little rest, we're checking on things, and it's all happening. She might not want to do it with an audience. Should we look at the view instead? So it looks like we can bring back some good news to the Dale farm. Reporting in that there's been another couple born. Wow, Mummy, they're good lambs. Well done. So she scanned for 3. Whether she'll have another, I don't know. So it's finally happening, and it's been such a hot day. We've got to make sure everyone's got water, so we're on our personalised water delivery service. Look at that, well trained man, he'll have you believe he's not. So it's been a stunning day, beautiful day. It's just looking like the sun's going to set in, I don't know, the next hour, half hour, I'm not entirely sure. And we are preparing to wind down.
Well, lambing, we've had a late flurries, you might say, some late deliveries. The weather's been ideal for for the lambs when they're born, warm and dry and sunny, but it's not what we call very fast lambing weather. 1 a day, 2 a day, that's about been it. We're up in the field this morning at 6 o'clock, nothing all day, checking about every, a couple of hours. One we were looking at this afternoon, and Joe went up at 5:30, and one had 3 had lambed, and we've had 7 lambs born since 5:30. 3 ewes had 7 lambs, so it's been a good end to the day. Very pleased.
Saturday morning, 6 o'clock, and we've got some misty, foggy mist. All those amazing views all out there, and you can't see hardly in front of you. So this is one we were keeping a close eye on yesterday. Didn't seem to be getting on with things very fast. These are her too, they look great. And this sheep here was actually one that I bottle fed about 2016 or 15. Morning, guys and girls. Morning, everyone. Morning. Morning. Hey, Dee Dee. They're good-sized triplets, aren't they? Born last night. Well done, Mum. Look at these 3. Well, the pond's nearly dried up.
Yes. Can I say something?
Yeah.
Well, this is really, freakish. It's April and the pond is literally really dry, partly because the sheep are drinking, also the wet, the dry weather evaporates it. So, it's usually full this time of year.
Oh, I'm confident it'll be full again.
It will be, probably this summer.
Thank you for watching. Please give the video a like if you've enjoyed it, and feel free to leave me a comment. I love reading them, and I'll try and bring another video to you very soon. Bye.